Hello everyone, welcome to Storm Chasing with Noah, episode 8. We've got another high risk for today, and I'm really happy. We've gotten so far in the series already. And you guys are, for some reason, gaining subscribers a lot quicker than I remember. So, let's get into the video. So we got a storm popping up already. Storm motion is northeast. So I'm just, yeah. The photograph shows what the hooks are going to look like. That kind of looks weird, but whatever. I don't care. Ugh. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm 10 now. I'm not 9 anymore. I'm 10. Okay. Alright, so it's not really where I wanted it to form. I'm going to keep velocity on because it's like the best thing ever. Thunderstorm warning. Yep, okay, we're probably going to have to start heading east. Up here, we're going to turn east.
Thunderstorm will impact the following locations: Hiram, Trent, Hazelton, Kendall.
There's no rotation or anything.
Avoid. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building.
Okay, it doesn't show it. Oh, it shows it's actually pretty big. It's definitely not concerning. Just gotta keep moving. Oh, it's decent. It's a decent size. I've seen a lot bigger. Alright, there were 35 miles. Oh, the winds are going up like crazy. Okay, I think it's because I'm just driving into storm winds. 40 miles an hour, okay. Season even for a thunderstorm if it's only 40. The winds need to be 60 or higher. Yeah, there's definitely a funnel cloud. Yeah, let's keep heading. Tornado might hit Haram. Yeah. By the looks of it, it's about to be a tornado. Next radar scan, it's probably going to be a tornado. Yep, there it is. Yep, alright. Oh, there it is. Dust cloud and everything. That already looks like a strong tornado. Yeah. We need to start heading north. The velocity shows it's a pretty strong one already. Already up here, so we might get tan soon. That means it's probably around orange. Yeah, that's definitely going to be an orange. Oh. Yeah, I can see what this is a severe thunderstorm. Storm winds are over 70. Basically. I'm going to stay here. It's red now. Yeah, okay, it's coming towards my direction. It's the first storm of the day, so not expecting much. Alright, the velocity went down, so it's weakening. Nope, it's strengthening again. Back up to red. It's shifting. Hopefully it doesn't shift. Imagine if it just starts shifting this way. Oh my god. Okay, I think it shifted a little more north. Look at the straight line winds in the storm. Yeah, it's not really strong, really.
Cherokee County in north central Keysota.
Velocity isn't
Wadena County in north central Keysota. Capable of producing 90 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail was located near Wadena.
I think it's moving slow.
Miles per hour. This severe
It's not
thunderstorm
really.
will eliminate the following locations: Hiram, Wadena, Cherokee
Yeah, I'm not
Village,
seeing really.
Andrewsia,
Um,
Chandler, Sneed.
listen to all of those
With
towns that's gonna hit.
avoid wind windows. Remember, severe thunderstorms can. You produce tornadoes with little or no warning.
Okay. Here it is. It actually, oh, there's a new storm. This one's getting pretty close now. I hear it. I can hear it. Oh, that's because it's here. Gosh, it's multi. Oh no. Once multi-vortex, that means it's a very strong tornado. Looks like it's time to get ready for deployment already. Oh god, it's time. What if it touches down again? Look at that force. Wow, it's got so up there. Wow. It's on the road right here. It's going down. There's a new rotation. Thing's probably over 200 right now. Wow, 190. That's insane. That's an ep4. Powerful ep4. Almost the ef5. Last break 201, the ef5. Wow, okay. It's insane. Look at the other one. Hang on, we gotta turn. Are these rotations hitting each other? That's a big rotation. Oh my. Wow, it's still on the road. How close that force you got?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a
Wow, that's
tornado
a
warning for Cherokee
big tornado.
County in North
I'm trying to go
Central
for the other
Dakota.
one that's probably way bigger. Tornado emergency for Wadena.
Large and destructive tornado was observed near Sneed, moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Yeah, it's gonna hit
A
Wadena.
violent tornado is on track to impact sections of Wadena. This tornadic storm will impact
It's hitting the truss power lines.
Wadena, Kettle, Palmer, Sneed.
Yep, I'm getting close. Way too close. I'm not gonna make it to Wadena. I can still try and beat it to Wadena. That's also risky.
If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat
Yep,
on the nearest
alright.
bench or other low.
Oh, shoot, it's right here. Okay, this is not gonna be good. It's gonna impact the city. Anyone in Wadena, they need to take immediate shelter. This thing is literally right on track for Wadena. It's right on track, and then there's another one trailing. This is not going to be a nice one for Wadena. Try to see how close I can get. Oh, there's already a debris ball. I'm probably going to have to stay here. No, Wadena's right here. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Turning. Oh, stop. Stop. Deploy. Yes. Just hit Wadena. It's literally right on top of it. And then there's another monster. Look at that. Wow. It's here. It's here. It's causing insane damage. It's hitting dead downtown Wadena. That is the scariest thing I have ever seen. I've only seen Wadena get hit like 3 times. Alright, yeah, it's strong. It just destroyed that house. Yeah, it's not doing any more radar updates for some reason. The radar might be glitching. I'm gonna give it a second. It doesn't seem to be working right now. Yeah, it doesn't show anything. This thing's stalling. Oh my gosh, it just completely obliterated Wadena. Oh, look at that. There's another one. Could be able to catch the other one. This one's in ef5 for sure. Look at that damage. And twisted damage, that's probably ef4 max. Look at that debarked tree. That's ef5. I'm gonna try and go for the new one. I don't see it. Wow, that one was crazy.
The National Weather Service
Oh!
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
That's a big
Wadena
tornado.
County in north central.
That is a big tornado. Is it impacting Hazleton? That's my question.
Trucia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will impact the following locations.
It's getting smaller. It's a lot smaller.
Kettle. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. A avoid windows.
Is that one going up
Remember,
to...
severe thunderstorms can.
That one looks like it's
occasionally do produce
glitching out.
tornadoes with little.
What's it say? The whole game's glitching out. It says the tornado's right there when it really is literally right here. And there's a new storm right now. Everything's glitching into it. It's glitching. It's glitching out. Oh, finally. After a million years. Back online. Oh shoot, back online means. Tornado back online. I need to buy a new probe real quickly. Why am I doing this so slow? It's the new and old. Yeah, there's gonna be a new storm. That one's still pink, headed for Chandler and Andrews. Tornado emergency. This is not gonna be a nice tornado. We're already seeing 78 top right now. It's gonna get way stronger as if you look at the velocity, I'm gonna freak out. Look at it. Okay, there's a debris ball. It's not really big anymore. Yep, we've exceeded our top. Yeah, this is gonna be a powerful tornado. I don't know if it's gonna be 190 like the last one. Wow, this thing's already gaining quickly. Yeah. Oh my. 95 top now. Yeah, both probes are making different things. That's why I like to have two probes. Alright. It's moving slow. That other one's big. One of 4 top, I think. One of 5 top, actually. I'm just watching that. I just saw 99. It's breaking 100 already, so. This tornado's moving very slowly. It should be moving at 60. I don't think it's moving at 60. Definitely not 60. Things moving a lot slower. Another tornado warning for West Viroqua. Whoa, 130. I'm not even bro. That one's on the track for Viroqua, definitely. Well, those are crazy straight line winds. Next radar update should... Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Don't break 190. Don't break 190. This thing's gaining like crazy. This thing's still just now red again.